लास्ट वीडियो में हमने बात करी थी कैशिंग एंड इट्स यूज केसेस के बारे में. ओके, इन दिस वीडियो वी विल बी लर्निंग अबाउट द कैशे इविक्शन. नाउ नोइंग कैशे इविक्शन इज ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम द सिस्टम डिजाइन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, क्योंकि काफी बार सिस्टम डिजाइन इंटरव्यूज में ये पूछा जाता है. ओके, बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, इफ यू वांट टू कीप मीटिंग अगेन एंड अगेन विद दिस काइंड ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स, मेक श्योर you follow concepts of CS. Okay, cache eviction is all about the space management. Let's understand it via an example. Consider you have a bag which is full of balls. Okay, and now if you want to insert any new ball in the bag, what you need to do, you need to remove a ball which exists in the bag. Okay, and then only you will be able to put a new ball in the bag. Similar thing happens with the cache as well. Okay, and how this space management happens, or how we manage this space, this is something we call as eviction. Let's say the size of your cache is 3 MB. Okay, and your cache is full. If you want to insert any new entries into the cache, you need to remove the existing entry from the cache, right? So there are several eviction policies exist for the cache, that how your data will get removed from the cache, or which entry will get removed from the cache, right? So let's talk about few common eviction policies. So we have LRU, which says least recently used. LRU says remove the item that has not been accessed from the longer period of time. Let's say a cache has 3 entry A, B, C, and your cache is full. You want to insert a new element. So let's say you have accessed B, then you have accessed A, but you haven't accessed C. So here C becomes the least recently used entry, which needs to be removed in this policy. Okay, so another policy is LFU, which is least frequently used. So whatever the entries which is least frequently used, that will get removed from the cache. So let's say you have 3 entry again here, A, B, C, and if A is accessed 5 times, B is accessed 4 times, and C is accessed 3 times, here the frequency of C is very less, and C will get removed from the cache, so that the insertion of new element can happen, right? And then we have the FIFO, which is first in first out. So whatever the element which is oldest in the cache will get removed, which means let's say first A is inserted into the cache, then B is inserted into the cache, and then C is inserted into the cache, right? Then A will get removed from the cache because here A is the oldest element. The last one is the random one, where a random entry gets removed from the cache. So these are the few common eviction policies exist for the cache, which is also important from the interview point of view. In the upcoming video, we will be talking about the cache invalidation and its importance.